Diversity 2. Ideas come to me through observation. Here's a problem, and this may be a possible solution. So in this case, trying to develop some type of mascot, it doesn't matter what you're trying to develop or make, trying to get the materials to match, it's really not a big deal. Let's say you buy a mascot head, such as this one. And you go to the fabric store and just cannot match the fabric on this head. That's not a problem. Buy the fabric you want and design it around the head. So what do you mean? Like this. You can take what's already designed and redesign it, add to it, take away from it to get the desired design that you want or the desired look that you're looking for. You can turn this head into a dog's head, a skunk's head, and this is a raccoon head. But you can redesign it, you can reshape, you can reform however you want by simply doing some simple fabric add-on or take-off additions, subtracting until you get what you want. Another thing you might want to do is think about some ventilation. Take some scissors or some type of box cutter and cut a small hole or some small holes. Remove the fabric and find something lighter that's going to match it, and just glue it over the vent holes to give you more circulation inside of your head. So fabric adhesive, you can take and cut out your hand and just simply spray the fabric on your glove, and have your fingers already cut out flat, and just take and paste them to your glove like that. I don't know if you can see that. And just hold and let it dry, and just do the next finger until you got your whole glove covered with the fabric, and you can move your fingers. Make sure you can get the glove off, but that's how you would make your hand or your paws. Now, Diversity 2, creativity and imagination is in the air. You just reach up and pull them down. Making any type of costume is your design. You can make it any way you want to, and there are no limits how far you can go or where to stop. It's your imagination, yeah. What force you want to go, and design it the way that's going to suit you. Diversity 2. Problem and solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.